Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. In previous video we have seen the lesson number 11, that was pressure. And in pressure we have seen the introduction, that what is pressure. The force per unit area is pressure. What is pressure? Pressure is force per unit area. This is pressure. Okay students, what is pressure? Pressure is force per unit area. In previous two videos I have told you that if we take force same in both the case, here the area is small and here the area is big. Okay students, so as per the definition of pressure, P is equal to F upon A, and here also P is equal to F upon A, that is force per unit area. Here the area is small, here the area is big. So what will happen? As the denominator value is low, the pressure value will be high. As the denominator value will be high, the pressure will be low. As the area increases, the pressure decreases. As the area decreases, pressure increases. So we can say that pressure is inversely proportional to the area. Okay students, if I have given two examples in your homework, let us discuss that. Force per unit area. Let us discuss the previous video's homework. I have given you two examples that were, first example was question 1, a force of 12 Newton is applied over an area 4 meter square. Calculate the resultant pressure. So, according to the definition of pressure, we know that pressure is equal to force per unit area. Here the force is 12 Newton, and what is the area? That is 4 meter square. Okay students, here the unit is Newton and here the unit is meter square, so we don't have to change anything. Okay students, So what will be the answer? That is 4 3s are 12. That is 3 Pascal. Okay students, what will be the answer? The answer will be 3 Pascal. Why? Because we don't have to change here. It is only in meter square and it is only in Newton. So we have to just put the value and calculate the sum. That is, let me explain it again. A force of 12 Newton is applied over an area 4 meter square. You can also write this first. In the easy way, we can also calculate this sum. First, what you have to do is, first, what we have to write force. Force is equal to 12 Newton. Okay, students, and next is area. What is area? That is 4 meter square. Now, what is the formula of pressure or definition of pressure? We can say that pressure is equal to force in Newton per unit area. Area, that is in meter square. So here Newton, the force is in Newton. Here area we want in meter square, it is already in meter square. So just we have to put the value of force and area in this and calculate. Let's do it again. That is 12 by 4, that is 4 3s are 12, that is 3 Pascal. Okay students, so this is your first sum. Please note down. Okay, have you noted down this? And the next example was question number 2. A force of 12 Newton is applied over an area was 4 mm square. Calculate the resultant pressure So first of all, what we have to write? We have to write force. What is the, first of all we have to read the question. Let us read that. A force of 12 Newton is applied over an area of 4 mm square. Calculate the resultant pressure. What is first of all force? Force is 12 Newton and next area. What is the area? that is 4 mm square. So what is to be done? We have to first calculate the area in from mm square to meter square. Okay, first of all, do by yourself. If you have done this, wait for few minutes. Okay, let's see that 4 mm square is equal to 4 upon meter square. Okay students, so what will be the answer here in meter square? 0. So this will be the 4 mm square is equal to 0.000004 meter square. Okay students, now just we have to put the value, that is pressure is equal to force per unit area, force upon area. Here what is the value of force? That is 12 Newton. And what is the value of area? We have calculated here, that is 0.00004 meter square. Okay students, 12 Newton and 0.00004 meter square. Okay students, now what will be the answer? Let us see that here. If we see 12, 4 3s are 12. First of all, we have to write down 3. So 3, then after 3 how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 zeros will become 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 zeros come. And what is the unit of pressure? That is Pascal. So this is this sum. Let us do it again. Area, a force of 12 Newton is applied over an area 4 mm square. Calculate the resultant pressure. Okay students, and what is the force? Here force is 12 Newton. What is the area? Area is 4 mm square. So first we have to calculate this area, we have to convert this area from millimeter square to meter square. Okay students, so 4 mm square is equal to 4 divided by 1000000 meter square. So we will get 0.00004 meter square. And now we have to put the value in the formula, that is pressure is equal to force per unit area. What is the value of force? That is 12 Newton. And what is the area? That is 4 mm square. So we have converted this mm square to meter square. So this will be the value and we will write it here and we will get the answer, that is 3000000 pascals. Okay students, we can also tell this as a 30 lakh pascals. Okay students, please note this. Have you noted this? And in this also there is one sum. Let us see that first of all. We can, in your examination also the different type of sum will come. If we take that example, in this only we will take. Here, if we have given the pressure is, let me rub this first of all. We have given the pressure that is Pascal and area that is 4 mm square. So we have to now calculate the now we have to calculate the force. How much force is applied over an area of 4 mm square, and the resultant pressure is 30 lakh Pascal. Okay students, so what we have to do first, we have to convert area that is 4 mm square, that will be 4 divided by meter square, that will be 0.00004 meter square. Here please don't forget to write the units. If you don't have write the unit, your marks can be cut. Okay students, so this is the area. Now what is the formula of pressure? That is pressure is equal to force per unit area. Okay students, but here we have given the pressure and the area. We have to find the force. What we have to find? We have to find the force. So what we will do? If we make force the subject of formula, then we can calculate the force. So we are making the force as subject of formula. Then here what will be there? The area will come this side, so it is in divide. So if this side it will come, then it will be in multiplication. So here pressure into area is equal to force. Okay students, what I have done, I have made the force subject of formula. So here the area is in division. So if it will go this side, then it will come in multiplication. Okay students, if the area was here in multiplication, if it will come here, then it will in division. So this will come in division. Let put the value. So what is the value of pressure? That is 30 lakh Pascal into area. What is the area? The area has given this. So what will be the area? That is 0.000004, and now we have to calculate this. that is the answer will be 4 3s are 12. Here how many zeros will come? 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3, and it will be, the answer will be 12 Newton. So if here we have to find the resultant pressure, and in exam we can also come, you have to find the force or you have to find the area. In those, if you have to find the force, the value of pressure and value of area will be given, and if you have to find the area, the value of pressure and value of force has given. So if we have to find the area, what will be the formula here? Area is equal to, here is area in multiplication, if it will go in come division, but if pressure is in here multiplication, this pressure will come here, then it will go in division. So force upon pressure. Okay students, so if we have to find the pressure, here is the formula, that is formula number 1, pressure is equal to force upon area. If we have to find the force, here is the second formula, that is pressure into area is equal to force. Okay students, and if we have to find the area, here is the third formula, that is area is equal to force upon pressure. Here is the three case that the sum can come. Okay students, if you have to write, you can write this. I will also, in this video, I will also give homework of that example. In that example, you have to calculate that examples from, I have given the different formula of pressure, area and force. You have to calculate from that only. Okay students, now we will go further, that is in your textbook. Here we see the compare the resultant pressure in example A and B. We have calculated the textbook numericals of example A and B, that are the force applied is the same in each case, means in both cases we have applied the force same. Where did we get the higher pressure, in A or in B? Can you make a connection between resultant pressure and the area over which the pressure is exerted? So we have seen the both example, that in the first example, in the page number 133, we have get in the first example, example A, we have get the pressure was, we have get the pressure that was 30,000 Pascal in example A. Okay, in example B, we have get the pressure is, here is the pressure, we have get the 30 lakh pressure. Why? Here in this force is same. What was the force? force was same. Here also the force is equal to, that was 6 Newton, and here also the force was 6 Newton. Okay students, but in this case the area was different. What was the area? In this case area was 2 centimeter square, and here the area was 2 millimeter square. So here the area is 2 centimeter square, and here the area is 2 mm square. So this area is big like this. So this area is big, and here in this case area is small. So you know from this which have the high pressure, this area will have high pressure or this area will have high pressure. Can you tell me? I have told you according to this formula, that is P is equal to F upon A. Here the area is increasing, so the pressure value will be decreased. Okay students, and here the area is decreasing, so the pressure value will be increased. So here is, due to the less area, here we get the higher pressure. Okay students, so let's read. From the activity performed with the eraser and drawing pin and the numericals example A and B, we can conclude that for the same force, pressure is inversely related to the area. This means that if the force acts over a small area, it results a great pressure. Then if the same force acts over a large area, greater pressure is produced by stitching a cloth with needle or pinning up a notice on the notice board with the help of board pin. Also, if the area over which it acts is kept the same, a great force would produce a great pressure. Thus, we can say that pressure depends on two main factors, that is force and surface area. When force applied on an area is increased, it increases the pressure produced. If the area over which a particular force acts is increased, the pressure produced decreases. The converse is also true. Decreasing the area over which a particular force acts increase the pressure produced. In this we can see that the force is increasing when the area is small, and pressure is, if we want higher pressure, the area is to be low, and if we want lower pressure, the area is to be high. Okay, as the area is small, the pressure value will be high, and as the area will be big, the pressure value will be low. So this is the whole thing we have seen this. Okay, now it's time for your homework. Please note down these two sums of some different types that I have previously tell their formula. For your today's homework, please note down students. Homework. Question 1. The resultant resultant pressure is 30,000 Pascal and the area is 4 centimeter square. You have to find out the force in it. Okay, students. You have to find out the resultant, you have to find out the force in it. The resultant pressure is 30,000 Pascal and the area is 4 centimeter square. Okay, students. And next question. Question number 2, that is the resultant pressure is the same 30,000 Pascal and the force applied on it is 12 Newton. So you have to find out the area. Okay, students. So in this you have to make the force subject of formula, and in this you have to make the area subject of formula. Okay, students. So please note down your homework, and up till then stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.